Hey, welcome back to Dan the Flavor Guy. Today, we're doing a subscriber request. They asked if I could do monkey bread, so this one's for you. Alright, for this recipe, we only need a few simple ingredients, such as biscuits, the mini Reese's peanut butter cups, cinnamon sugar, and butter. You're also going to need a bundt cake pan or a 9x13 pan, anything that you can put these in. Alright, so let's get busy. Alright, so here's some examples of what I'm talking about. We got a small metal cake tin, works great. We also have the 9x13. Either one will work, and then of course the good old bundt cake pan. The first thing we're going to want to do is spray this down with non-stick cooking spray. Alright, let's pop open our biscuits. Alright. Now we're going to take these, we're going to cut these biscuits in half. Once we get the biscuits cut in half, we're going to flatten them out and we're just going to start rolling these Reese's pieces up inside the biscuit. Okay, our biscuits are ready, our Reese's are unwrapped. We have our cinnamon and sugar, 1 part cinnamon, 3 parts sugar. This is already greased. We're going to take our biscuits and we're going to cut them into fourths. Since we only have 1 pound of Reese's peanut butter cups, we are going to do equal parts of biscuit and equal parts of the Reese's wrapped up. Once you get them rolled into a ball, we're going to put them in our cinnamon and sugar mixture, give it a little spin. That's what they look like coming out, and we're just going to start dropping them in. All right, we're just finishing up rolling the balls. We ended up using 3 of these biscuits, 8 counts each. We used about 1 pound of the Reese's miniature peanut butter cups, and then like I said before, we did 1-to-1 ratio on the balls. So we got 1 mini Reese's peanut butter cup wrapped to 1 ball. Once we get these all tossed in here, I'm going to take what's left of our cinnamon and sugar mixture. I'm going to throw about 1/2 cup of butter in here. I'm going to warm it up and pour it over the top of our bundt can monkey bread mixture. All right, now that our cinnamon, sugar, and butter mixture is well combined, we're just gonna pour it over the top. Oh man, this is gonna be good. While we were doing that, I went ahead and preheated the oven to 350. We're gonna pop this in for about 12 to 15 minutes. We're gonna keep an eye on it. Basically, we're just going off the directions of the biscuit container for the cook time. Oh my gosh, the house is full of smoke. I didn't realize that my wife's bundt pan is a 2-piece bundt pan. So the butter, the cinnamon, and the sugar that we just poured all over those and threw it in the oven instantly started making the oven smoke. Check this out. Check this out. Here's the front room. Trying to air this thing out right now. This is something crazy. But hey, that's what I get for not paying any attention. Back to our regularly scheduled program. Okay, now that the smoke has died down a little bit, it's still kind of thick in here, but the show must go on. So now we've transferred from my wife's bundt cake pan to this breakaway pan right here. And what I mean by breakaway pan right here, we have a little lever. Once this thing's cooked, we can actually set it back down, pop this off, and slide it right off the top, and your bread is all right there. So let's get this back in the oven, cross our fingers, hope that it doesn't start smoking again. But that's what happens when you try something for the first time. All right, so we didn't burn the house down, thank God. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna flip this over. We're gonna see how this turned out. I'm gonna go ahead and stab into this and see how it turned out. That was pretty good. It's like a giant cinnamon roll. I think I'll have another one. Feel hot. But I got actual Reese's pieces in that one. But I highly recommend you guys give this a try. This is actually really good. Thanks for stopping by. If you could, hit that like, that subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you then.
Okay, we want to try it. Y'all want to try it?
Yeah.
Hot.
It's very hot.